So my name is Arjan Kleij. I'm a Dutch citizen and I've been here at ICIQ for over 17 years. And I work here as a group leader and as an Kleij professor. So my group focuses on catalytic organic synthesis in a sustainable way. So we have 3 research lines. The first research line, we try to focus on stereoselective synthesis, where our main goal is to design and develop new intermediates for pharmaceutical synthesis or for fine chemical programs. In the second line of research that we have, we use carbon dioxide as a low value feedstock, and we want to turn that into chemical products of a higher value. And some of the ideas that we have focuses on the use of carbon dioxide to make fine chemical intermediates or pharmaceutical, let's say, precursors. And we also try to focus on making new monomers for new types of polymers. In the last line of research, we focus on the synthesis and the development of bio-derived polymers. And in this area of research, we try to use biomass, carbon dioxide, and related feedstock to make new polymer formulations. So during the development of our biopolymer portfolio, we like to collaborate with people from academia and industry. So this, on one side, allows us to valorize our own catalytic technology, and on the other side, it enables the transfer of technology that we develop here at ICIQ, and more specifically in my group, to commercial partners.